Today I am giving you the most powerful affirmation ever. Yes, this affirmation will raise your vibration, set you aligned with your goals, desires and dreams with the universe, and no matter what you are manifesting, this will help you manifest your desires fast, and it will help you in your journey to go forward and do the impossible things possible. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation, and I'm immensely grateful to all of you for all your love and support. Now, I have shared many affirmations on our YouTube channel and on our website awesomeaj.com. Affirmations about love, relationship, dream job, money, wealth, success, about motivation, about self-love, about losing weight, about being healthy. But from time to time, some of you keep asking me, AJ, sometimes I forget my affirmations, sometimes I don't feel aligned when I'm doing my affirmations, sometimes some resistance is there. So is there any one affirmation I should always remember? It's like a mantra that I can keep saying, and then it will help me in all kind of manifestations. And even for those desires which I am not doing any particular affirmation. And yes, this video is for you. And if you are looking for this affirmation or this kind of video, then do let me know in the comment section. Now, the most powerful affirmation ever is, I am loved and supported by the universe. Yes, I am loved and supported by the universe. Or instead of universe, you can say God, goddesses, or any particular name you want to use for the god or the god that you worship or believed in. You can use their name as well. That's absolutely perfectly fine. Or you can say it in a more general way that I am loved and supported by the universe, God, higher power all the time. So now this is a very simple affirmation, but it is very powerful, because when you are saying I am loved and supported by the universe or God or higher power, even if you are not focused on any particular goals or dreams, you are creating that belief within you that you are always being loved by the higher power. You are always being supported by the universe. It means God, the universe, the higher power is always guiding you in the right direction, always showing you the right path, always taking you out of negativity, struggle and challenges and putting you on the right path. And when you keep saying this affirmation, it's like a mantra. When you keep saying it again and again and again, you could able to overcome obstacles. You could able to overcome challenges. You could able to gain motivation and inspiration from within, and you could able to face even difficult situations with a lot of positivity and motivation and alignment. And most importantly, this affirmation will help you in case if you are having lot of resistance about your goals, desires or dreams, or when, let's suppose, you are doing some affirmation about dream job. Sometimes you feel excited, sometimes you believed in it, but sometimes you feel that where is my dream job, why it's not working. In those kind of situations, those negativities block your manifestation. But when you are saying this general affirmation, when you are saying this particular affirmation, I am loved and supported by the universe, so it is helping you. It is not creating any resistance, and it is letting you go forward. And when you are saying this, it will help you manifest all kind of dreams, not just your smaller dreams or bigger dreams, not just that one or two dreams. It will be keep supporting you. This affirmation will get aligned you with the universe, with the higher power, with God, so that even the smaller desires or dreams which are already ready for you, or the goals or desires, dreams that are already on the verge of manifestation, will start manifesting, and magical things start happening in your life. So this is a very powerful affirmation, and this should be your mantra. You should note it down right now, and you keep saying it all the time. Of course, along with it, keep doing the bigger affirmation or the sets of affirmation for particular goals and dreams, but those you can do at allocated time, like in the morning or afternoon and evening. When you have set time for doing affirmation, that time you should be doing it. Or whenever you have time to go through all the affirmations or listen to some of my affirmations audio, then at that time you will do it. But this affirmation, I am loved and supported by the universe or God or higher power, is your mantra that you should be saying all the time. Now, if you are excited, I want you to listen this affirmation couple of times in my voice, so that your vibration will go higher and you will feel the excitement, the positivity and the alignment. Are you ready? If you are ready, and if you are at home or office where you can really close your eyes, then you can close your eyes and listen to me. If you are driving or traveling or walking or running somewhere, something like this, if you are involved in it, you can just listen to my voice. So I'm going to repeat this affirmation again and again and again couple of times, and you try to feel it, feel the affirmation inside your heart, inside your body, inside your soul, and then you will see how powerful it is. So you can close your eyes right now. Inhale deeply, and now follow my voice. And you can slowly keep saying this affirmation along with me. I am loved and supported by the universe. 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 I am loved and supported by the universe, God, higher power. I am loved and supported by the universe, God, higher power, and I am achieving all my dreams. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you were closing your eyes, now you can open. And now tell me, how is your experience? I am sure all of your vibration has gone higher. If you felt that energy while listening to this affirmation, feel connected to the universe. If your vibration has gone higher, like this video and go to the comment section and write now, right there, I am loved and supported by the universe, God, higher power. Because this is how you are telling yourself, you are letting the universe know that you are ready to receive all the love and support from the universe for your goals, desires and dreams. You deserve it, and you deserve to achieve all your desires. If you find this video useful, you can share it with your loved ones. And if you want to learn more tools, techniques and processes, you can join our powerful program, Make Your Life Awesome. Check the link in the description and in the comment section. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. Thank you.